All right, good morning, everyone. So today you're going to need your books, your notebooks, pen, and highlighter once again. So today we are going to talk about sentence parts and types and analyzing the text. So start off page 311. All right, so sentence parts and types. Good writers know how to use sentence parts and sentence variation to make their writing more interesting. A sentence consists of a subject and a predicate, and it expresses a complete thought. It always begins with a capital letter. All right, so highlighter time. So, writers know how to use sentence parts and sentence variation to make their writing more interesting. A sentence consists of a subject and a predicate, expresses a complete thought, always begins with a capital letter. Please underline, circle, double highlight, always begins with a capital letter. So next are sentence types. So we have a simple subject, a complete subject, a simple predicate, a complete predicate, and a compound subject. So all of those, of course, need to be highlighted. Now, what you need to go back and underline is for simple subject, single person, place, or thing about which the sentence is written. A complete subject includes simple subject and any related words. Okay, simple predicate, verb that expresses the sentence action. All of these that I'm saying, I'm re-saying, I told you you need to highlight them. I'm going back and telling you what you need to make sure your underline, circle, extra highlighting. Okay? So, a simple predicate, the verb that expresses the sentence's action. A complete predicate includes simple predicate and related words, such as adverbs, objects, prepositional phrases. All right, the compound subject. Two or more nouns that share the same verb, joined by conjunctions such as and or. Okay, so here is our box. I've broken it down. I've taken away the sample sentences. You can see them in your book. I need you to highlight everything that I have right here on the slide. And now our sentence parts and types. What you need to do is the read it and the write it in your notebook and the Pearson worksheets that I've attached to the email for additional practice. All right, going back to analyzing the text on page 308. So I need you to look at number 1, interpret. The clock says, when you're bored, what you need more than anything is a rude awakening. You need to explain exactly what that means in your notebook. Now, 2, you need to do A and B. So A says, what does the clock on Tock's body represent? What do you think it represents? And for B, you need to speculate if Tock hadn't come along, would Milo still be in the doldrums? And then explain your answer, yes or no, or even maybe. And then 3, draw your own conclusions. At the end of Act 1, is Milo still bored? Yes, no, even maybe? And explain your answer to me. All right.